Hello everyone. I hope you are healthy, fit and fine. You might have watched the previous video of GK and understood it well and started studying. Let's start today's class.
Let us continue with Unit 1. Open page number 4. The topic is countries and their cities. Till now, we were studying about country India. But now, let us study about various countries of the world. As in India, there are various famous cities like Delhi, Mumbai, etc. Similarly, other countries of the world also has various famous cities. In this page, we will be matching the countries with their cities. Now, let us do the exercise. First country given here is USA, and the famous cities of USA are Washington DC, New York City, San Francisco. That is answer D. So match 1 USA with D. Second country given here is India, and the famous city of India here given is Bhopal, Dehradun, Patna. So we will match India with F, Bhopal, Dehradun, Patna. Third country given here is Pakistan, and the famous cities of Pakistan are Islamabad, Lahore, Karachi. So we will match 3 Pakistan with G, Islamabad, Lahore and Karachi. Fourth country is Nepal, and the famous cities of Nepal are Kathmandu, Pokhara, Biratnagar. So we will match 4 Nepal with E, Kathmandu, Pokhara and Biratnagar. Next country is Bangladesh, and the famous cities of Bangladesh are Dhaka, Chittagong, Sylhet. So we will match 5 Bangladesh with H, Dhaka, Chittagong and Sylhet. Next country number 6 is UK, and the famous cities of UK is London, Birmingham and Glasgow. So we will match 6 UK with B, London, Birmingham and Glasgow. Next country given here is Australia, and the famous cities of Australia are Sydney, Melbourne, Canberra. So we will match 7th Australia with C, Sydney, Melbourne, Canberra. Next country given here is Sri Lanka, and the famous cities of Sri Lanka are Colombo, Kandy, Jaffna. So we will match 8 Sri Lanka with A, Colombo, Kandy, Jaffna. Let's proceed further. Open page number 5. The topic is Meet the First of India. Our India got independence on 15th August 1947. After that, it was a new start for our country. So now, let's study about the first of India. Here we have to identify and name these first of India. The first picture you can see is a picture of first president. So, our first president of India was Dr. Rajendra Prasad. So, we will write here Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Second picture is a picture of the first Prime Minister of India. So, the first Prime Minister of India was Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. So, we will write in the space given Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Third picture you can see is a first woman president. Yes, the first woman president was Mrs. Pratibha Patil. So we will write here Mrs. Pratibha Patil. In the fourth picture, the question is first women prime minister, and we can see the picture of Indira Gandhi. Yes, the first women prime minister is Mrs. Indira Gandhi. We will write in the space given. Fifth picture is the picture of first vice president. The first vice president of India was Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. So we will write in the space given Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. Sixth picture, we can see the picture of the first deputy prime minister. The first deputy prime minister of India was Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. We will write in the space given Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. In the seventh picture, you have to identify the first Indian bowler to get a hat-trick in Test cricket. You can see the picture of Harbhajan Singh. So Harbhajan Singh is the first bowler to get a hat-trick in Test cricket. Write in the space given Harbhajan Singh. In the eighth picture, we have to identify first woman to climb the Mount Everest. So Bachendri Pal is the first woman to climb the Mount Everest. Write in the space given Bachendri Pal. Let's proceed further. Page number 6, Eminent Indians. There are some people who made our country proud and let it be known worldwide. So now let's study about some of the eminent Indians. Here in this page we can see the picture of various persons who have excelled in their respective field. In the first picture we can see a picture of A.R. Rahman. He has done excel in the music. A.R. Rahman is an Indian composer, singer and music producer. Write here A.R. Rahman in the space given. In the second picture, we can see a picture of Kapil Dev. Kapil Dev is a former Indian cricketer. He has done excel in cricket. He was a fast bowler and a hard-hitting batsman. So write here in the space given Kapil Dev. Third picture, we can see a picture of Mr. Amitabh Bachchan. Amitabh Bachchan is an Indian film actor, film producer, television host and occasional playback singer. Write here in the space given Amitabh Bachchan. Fourth picture is a picture of APJ Abdul Kalam. He has done excel in science and technology. APJ Abdul Kalam was an Indian aerospace scientist and politician who served as the 11th President of India. Write in the space given APJ Abdul Kalam. Fifth picture is a businessman. He is Mukesh Ambani. Mukesh Ambani is an Indian billionaire business magnate and the chairman, managing director and largest shareholder of Reliance Industry. Write in the space given Mukesh Ambani. Sixth picture is a picture of Lata Mangeshkar. Lata Mangeshkar is an Indian playback singer and music director. She is one of the best known and most respected playback singer in India. Write in the space given Lata Mangeshkar. Seventh picture is the picture of M.F. Hussain. M.F. Hussain was an Indian artist known for executing bold, vibrantly colored narrative paintings in a modified cubist style. Write in the space given M.F. Hussain. Eighth picture is the picture of Zakir Hussain. He is an Indian tabla virtuoso, composer, music producer and film actor. He has done excel in music field. So write in the space given Zakir Hussain. Now let us move to page number 7. Topic is yummy Indian food. India is a diverse country and has many cultures and religion. This diversity can also be seen in the food that people eat in various regions of India. India is home to a large variety of cuisines. Here in this page we have to match the various food item with the respective state. In the first picture we can see sandesh, a picture of a sweet dish sandesh, and this sandesh is famous in West Bengal. So we will match one sandesh with B, West Bengal. The second food item here is vada pav. Vada pav is a famous food item of Maharashtra. We will match 2 vada pav with E, Maharashtra. In the third picture you can see dhokla. Dhokla is the famous food item of Gujarat. We will match 3 dhokla with A, Gujarat. Fourth picture is lassi. Lassi is the famous food item of Punjab. We will match 4 lassi with C, Punjab. The last picture is dosa, and dosa is the famous food item of Karnataka. We will match 5 dosa with D, Karnataka. Now let us learn something more about India. Question number 1. Which are the 2 houses of parliament? The answer is the 2 houses of parliament are the Rajya Sabha and the Lok Sabha. Question number 2. Who was the first Indian to receive the Nobel Prize? The first Indian to receive the Nobel Prize was Rabindranath Tagore. Question number 3. Name the 3 services of Indian Armed Force. The 3 services of Indian Armed Force are Indian Army, Indian Navy and Indian Air Force. Question number 4. How many languages does the Indian Constitution recognize? Answer is 22 languages. Question number 5. Who was the author of Ramayana? Answer is Valmiki.
Now it's time to end the class. Go through the PDF given in the description box and complete all the exercise given. We will meet soon in the next class. Till then, stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you.